What does a Versace dressing gown, a cigar, and a pizza box all have in common? The fall of Andrew Tate. If you've been living under a rock the last few weeks and haven't heard of the dramatic life of Andrew Tate unfolding, we're here to tell you about it. Andrew is a former kickboxing champion, cryptocurrency investor, and internet celebrity who's been making waves in the global media. He's well known for his outspoken views on money, women, and sexuality, as well as his ability to turn his talent into massive profits. Tate is an American-British social media celebrity, entrepreneur, and former professional kickboxer. Born on December 1st, 1986, Andrew Tate was first best known for his professional kickboxing career, followed by a short stint on Big Brother UK in 2016, which he was forced to leave Big Brother after a video of him hitting a woman with a belt appeared online. The last few years, he's gained a social media following among mainly far-right men as he shares his outspoken views on money, women, and sexuality. This has also led to Andrew Tate becoming a successful influencer, with many brands sponsoring his content. Tate is known to become the subject of controversy due to his outspoken views. Tate began his professional kickboxing career at the young age of 15 and quickly rose to fame as a four-time IKSA kickboxing world champion. He finished his kickboxing career with a record of 76-9, with 76 total victories. After retiring from kickboxing, Andrew Tate turned to the world of cryptocurrency and social media, becoming a millionaire and one of the most famous men in the world. Tate is the founder of an online course in modern wealth creation and is an advocate of the cryptocurrency market. He fled the UK and was based in Romania, where he was making a fortune through his online business ventures. A lot of his followers see him as an inspiration and an example of how hard work and dedication can lead to great success. Tate has a diversified stream of income. He initially made his fortune by winning multiple kickboxing championships and then investing that money into cryptocurrency. He also makes money from his online membership website, The Real World, which describes itself as a completely matrix-independent platform where we teach you how to make money in the digital age. It's an online business education platform that provides mentoring services and coaching to members. When you sign up for it, you gain access to an exclusive server for education, mentorship, and a community to network within. The Real World is meant to help students develop their business skills and create a pathway to financial freedom. It provides resources and education on topics such as investing in cryptocurrency, setting up e-commerce and Amazon stores, and offering copywriting services to businesses. To gain access to all this, monthly membership costs are $149. In addition, Andrew Tate has a webcam business on OnlyFans, where he earns money from girls he hired to perform live shows for fans. Tate charges viewers $4 per minute for the live chats, and the models can earn tips from the viewers at their own risk. The models can also make money from private shows, where viewers pay for a more intimate experience. Andrew has a team of professionals behind the scenes who help build relationships between the models and the viewers. He also makes money from his social media channels, such as YouTube. Finally, he makes the bulk of his money from his online school, Hustlers University 2.0, which is an online educational platform founded by Tate in 2021. It has over 1.4 million members who pay a monthly fee of $49.99 to access the platform. It provides lessons on topics such as copywriting, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and cryptocurrency investments. In addition, it also provides a community for members to network with each other, ask questions, and share resources. The platform is also used to market Tate's other business ventures, such as The Real World. Tate also claims to own a chain of casinos with his brother Tristan. With all of these different avenues of income, Tate has reported that his net worth is a whopping $700 million. However, The Sun has reported that an accurate estimate of his wealth would be more around $50 million. Due to Andrew's outbursts, which have caused controversy over his alleged misrepresentations on subjects like sexual harassment, social media platforms including Facebook and Twitter have banned him off their platforms. Although this all changed when Mr. Musk took over Twitter and reinstated his account. Additionally, he uses social media sites like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to profit off these platforms too. Before social media networks started to block his accounts, Tate had got more Google hits than Donald Trump in late December 2022. Now, that's a controversial character to live up to. Andrew Tate has been embroiled in numerous controversies over the years. In addition to being kicked off Big Brother due to a video of him hitting a woman with a belt, he's also been criticized for making numerous sexist, homophobic, and racial slurs on social media, as well as for saying that depression is not a real illness. In addition, Tate has been accused of running a sex trafficking business and has been banned from Twitter for evading a previous ban. He has also been criticized for his views on women, saying that they should bear some responsibility for being raped and that they belong in the home. Finally, the last straw was Andrew getting arrested in Romania on the 29th of December 2022, along with his brother Tristan Tate and 2 Romanian women on charges of being a part of an organized crime group, human trafficking and rape. Romanian police reportedly raided the Tate's home after a tip from the US Embassy that an American woman was being held captive at the house against her will. Police found both the American and a Romanian woman in the building during the raid. A court in Romania's capital, Bucharest, subsequently ordered the 30-day detention of Tate and his 3 co-defendants. 7 more property searches are being conducted by Romania's anti-organized crime agency as part of their inquiry into the polarizing social media figure, an official said on Thursday, the 12th of January. Searches are being conducted in the counties of Bucharest, Ilfov, and Prahov, according to Ramona Bola, a spokesman for the agency DICOT. 6 victims in the human trafficking case have been recognized by DICOT as having been sexually exploited and the targets of acts of physical violence and mental coercion by the alleged criminal organization. The agency claimed the victims were duped into participating in pornography under the guise of love, while being threatened, were kept under surveillance, and were subjected to other forms of control. The chain of events that led to Tate's demise all started by a boastfully hostile tweet he sent to climate activist Greta Thunberg. "Please provide your email address so I can send a complete list of my car collection and their respective enormous emissions," he wrote. He likely thought that making fun of her commitment to the environment would elevate his stature. Instead, the 19-year-old used just 9 words to burn the tough guy to a char. "Yes, please do enlighten me. Email me at smalldickenergy@getalife.com, she replied. Thunberg's response was obviously hurtful to Tate, as 10 hours later, he tweeted a haughty video in which he blathered on while wearing a dressing gown, using a cigar and a pizza box as props, in an attempt to demonstrate his status and assert his manhood. That same pizza box is what the Romanian police used to later hunt him down and arrest him on the 29th of December. After all, Thunberg got the last word with a final tweet saying, "This is what happens when you don't recycle your pizza boxes." Tate always had a passion for luxury cars, and all his cars used to be frequently seen on his Instagram page. But we're sure to his disappointment, on January 15th, Romanian authorities confiscated several of his luxury cars, including a Rolls-Royce, a BMW, and a Mercedes-Benz. Oh, we're sure that one hurt him. So there you have it. That's a look at the rise and fall of Andrew Tate. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more interesting content.